Good morning, beauties. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. It's been a while since we made a good winter video, actually. This one's not going to be that good, but we're going to do a little cold start. It's minus 18 all night, and now it's minus 14. Hey, pups. Hey. Bike's plugged in, tarped up. Hey, puppies. Frosty girl. Cold boys. Having some troubles here. All right, we got some WD-40 here. See if that helps. All right, we got some hot water. I don't think this is a good fix, but I'm gonna see if it'll wash out any stuff that's within where the key is. This is gonna freeze my bike up. There we go. Like that. It's so cold. Okay, we're rolling. Whew. I think this battery thing's draining it. That thing I plugged into my battery, I think it's draining my battery a little bit. My USB plug-in. This USB thing is draining my battery slowly. You know what? Son of a gun. I don't think she's gonna start, boys. Too cold, little girl. I don't think she's gonna start. Yeah. Too cold in the old girl. I don't want to hurt it either. Hey! Well, I don't want to hurt the bike. I think I'm already doing enough damage, you know? Doesn't seem too healthy to keep going, right? Sucks. It's been cold, right? But it started every time before in this type of weather. But ever since I installed this USB works even when the battery's not turned on. It makes me wonder if it's causing the bike to have startup issues right now. Dang. Well, guys, here you go. First time the bike's never started. All right, we're here the next day. Want to try starting the bike up. I know it's not good for it to start it up in the cold and idle and whatnot, but it hurt my heart hearing the old girl struggle yesterday. So we're gonna do a quick startup, hopefully. It was minus 18, 20-ish yesterday, overnight, and then it thinks minus 15 right now. Hope she's not too frozen. Yeah, she's frozen. Love ya. Okay. My ignition's stuck, so I got a little hot water here.
Did you try it?
You know what, man? I'm in the process of that right now. I put some hot water on this. Don't put it up yesterday, which is not a good fix, but
I got some WD-40.
used that too yesterday, my man. Okay. Come on, little girl.
Yeah, you got some late.
Yes, sir. Come on, baby girl. All right.
Yeah, that's it.
Sounds cold, dang. What's all this? It's a steam, I hope. That's just ice right here, a little bit of ice in the water you put on, that's what it is. No oil leaks, I think we're good.
Cold, eh?
Yes, sir. Making a little cold start video. That's my father-in-law. The Yamaha 125 guy.
Right.
Ah. stock tires did good. Okay. All right, beauties. Thanks for watching this cold start fail video. I don't think I'm gonna start it until we actually go for a ride, but anyways, thanks for liking, subscribing, and watching. Ooh, I should probably turn this on. Oops. Turn this on. Yes, sir.
I would say I won't even need to shovel. I would say Cody would be a good shovel.
Really?
Whenever I shoveled off the red bench, he said he jumped and ate it.
Oh, that's crazy. What do you think of my dirt bike, George?
Pretty good.
You like it? I think next summer we should teach you on the little 50 bit more, hey? Then you can come for rides with Papa and nice.